Hi, welcome to the Copper Kills It install video. I'm Mike, and today we're going to be installing a set of push bar covers on a door for a standard straight 1-inch push bar. You get the two-piece covers. They'll have the red VHB tape. Simply peel off the red covering from the VHB tape. Check that the copperkillsit.com logo is where you want it. Generally on this side, you want to make sure you put them all the way on the push side where the hands go. And then you just simply press the first half in place. Remove the covering from the tape on the other half. Line up the ends. And firmly press in place. And you now have the most germicidal surface you can on one of the highest touch points in your building from copperkillsit.com.